My name is Mike Hogan. I'm the Associate Dean at Central Piedmont Community College, Associate Dean of STEM. I work with our engineering technology and our information technology programs. So mechatronics engineering technology is a combination of electrical skills, mechanical skills, control system skills, all brought into one curriculum. So we teach students to really focus on troubleshooting, systems approach, and go into those three different areas to be able to support advanced manufacturing in the region. What is unique about CPCC's Mechatronics Engineering Technology program is our connection to industry. We allow industry to and expect industry to participate in the competency building of our program, and so they guide the direction in the classroom, the direction of the program. So they're very engaged with our program. So our goals for Mechatronics Re-envision. Mechatronics Re-envision first was a DOL grant that we received, and our main goal was to flip the classroom. It was to develop digitized materials so that instructors could get away from lecturing in the front of the class and really move toward the side of the student and facilitating. We were able to digitize a lot of coursework, 10 courses in particular, and that coursework now students access the material before they come to class. Then in the class period itself, we go much deeper, much further, because students are better prepared. One of the things we did is we did hire IES's instructional design team, so they would take a look at our augmented reality and virtual reality that was created as a technology tool that would fit in with our curriculum. And so as we proceeded through several months of evaluation, IES was able to not only look at all of that has been developed, but also provide valuable feedback so that we could adjust curriculum and adjust what we had developed to maximize the benefit to the student. One benefit that we had as we worked with IES, their instructional design team specifically, was the tight timeline, the tight deadlines that we had to meet. We were really getting to the end of the project, and we had developed all the curriculum, but we wanted to make sure that the report that we shared with DOL and that we uploaded in the repository of OER, Open Educational Resources, we wanted to make sure it was complete, and IES was able to meet those deadlines. They were able to pull together a team of subject matter experts, which was second to none, and do it in a very timely manner. What I would suggest to another organization looking to support a grant or looking to evaluate opportunities or even develop curriculum, IES is a great choice. They were very successful in our project, and we look forward to working with them in the future, and I would recommend that they work with IES also.